Hello everyone! To succeed in this class, I have a couple of suggestions and tips. Time management is key, especially depending on your load as a student and as a faculty yourself. You need to make sure that you're still setting aside adequate time to complete the assignments. Number two, ask Dr. Morales for your assigned faculty questions and reach out sooner rather than later. It is always better to ask them directly, especially if the questions or concerns are course specific or they're pertaining certain instructions or specific assignments. You don't want the blind leading the blind. Although peer collaboration is important, there is a right time and circumstance for it. Number three, lean on your peers. So when it comes to just having someone understand what you're going through and maybe for additional support and reassurance or additional resource, not your primary resource, then definitely reach out to your peers. Four, start reading sooner rather than later. This course requires a lot of reading, so be sure to make it part of your assignment calendar or to-do list. Certain things that I am reflecting on. The performance that I slacked off was probably towards the end, although it did not cost me my grade. It did cost me stress, anxiety, and sleeplessness. It was mostly time management and stress management related. Also, I pushed myself with every assignment, and I think it benefited my grade. I have received really good grades on all my assignments so far, and I made sure to submit quality work consistently. I mostly directed and monitored my studying wisely, but depending on my home and work life, sometimes I struggled to manage my time a little bit more, and sometimes I just had to do things and complete things the last minute. I usually plan and develop my assignments about 5 to 7 days before they are due. And the most difficult part is getting started. But once I start, it usually gets easier and it makes more sense the more time I'm spending doing my assignments. I also budgeted my time very well. I like to plan things and maintain a to-do list. I create a calendar for all my courses so I can see what is due side by side. So that helps me ensure that I finish things in a timely manner. I also changed the due date in my calendar to make it appear that it's due the day before, which forces me to get things started and done sooner than when it's due. Anyhow, I hope all of these suggestions and tips help. Thank you so much. Have a great rest of the semester.